Okay, so I'm using the Blofin exchange today. Once you have got an account, you can put some money onto your account with this tab here, buy crypto. But let's look at buying an amount of Bitcoin. Down here, you can see two different tabs, spot and futures. The difference is spot buying is where you buy a certain amount of cryptocurrency and then you own that particular amount. So for example, if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin, then you own that Bitcoin and it just keeps growing and growing over time. As a beginner, that's probably what you'd start with. So I'm going to show you how to use spot. You can see this is the Bitcoin chart here, BTC, and this is BTC versus USDT. So it's a tether coin that we are using to buy Bitcoin. So let's say you have got some USDT, you've got some tether on your account and you want to buy Bitcoin. Now, as a beginner, this does look overwhelming and I completely understand it. When I started, it was completely overwhelming for me, but it does get easier. So let's say you know that you want to buy Bitcoin today. Up here is the current price, 112,000. This goes up and down every day. You can see here's 24-hour change. It's gone up a little bit. Let's say you're happy with that price and you want to go ahead and buy some today. You come over to the right-hand side here and you can see buy. To buy some Bitcoin, you would need to have some USDT available. And I have a grand total of 4 USDT available. So I'm going to click on market order. Now, market order just means you're buying it at the price that it is at the moment and at the second that you buy it. When you press market, you're basically saying, just buy it for me now. You're not waiting for a certain price before your purchase goes ahead. So let's say I want to buy $2 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to put in 50% of my total, $4, and buy it now. So market price, I'm going to spend $2. I'm going to confirm it, order placed, and then it would go ahead and buy it for me. And that's done. And you can see that I've got a bit less in my account. Now, limit order is different. You're still buying it on spot, so you're still buying an amount that you're going to keep, but you're waiting for the right price to buy it. So let's say the price of Bitcoin at the moment is $112,272. You can see up here, this is the current price, but I want to wait until it comes down a bit. This is just an example, but a lot of people want to buy Bitcoin at a certain price because they know it comes down to a certain price and then it tends to bounce. So let's say I want to buy it at that price and I want to buy 50% of what I've got left, which is $1.67, and then I'll press buy. And again, before it goes ahead, it'll confirm it to me. So I'm going to buy it at that price. I'm not going to buy it right now. It's going to wait until it hits that price and then it will buy it. So hit confirm. And then you can scroll down here and you can see that this is the order I've just placed. It's a buy order rather than selling. And the price is here of what I want to buy it for. And then it's basically sitting there waiting for that price to be hit. And you can leave it there. So if you have a specific price in mind that you've researched and you think that's the price I want to buy Bitcoin or Solana at, that's how you would do it with a limit order. And the same applies to when you come to sell it. So you can either sell it straight away. I want to sell my Bitcoin now. You can do a market sell. So what you do, you come over here to sell, and I've got this much Bitcoin to sell, and I might want to sell half of it and then just sell it. And I've got that money then. Or I could think to myself, well, when Bitcoin hits 120, I'm going to sell it. So I would set it up in a limit order. Let's say I want to sell half of what I've got, and then I might want to sell it at, let's say, 120,000. So when I go ahead and press sell BTC, confirming my order, I'm going to sell this much Bitcoin at this price, and I'm going to confirm it. Now you can see the two orders we have open. One is the Bitcoin order to buy it at a certain price. If it goes down to 112,100, it will be bought. And this one is my sell order. So when Bitcoin hits 120,000, this much Bitcoin of mine will be sold at that price, and then that money will go onto my account in the exchange on Blofin. So those are the two ways you can buy and sell spot. Any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you.